Today, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving direct message notifications by email on X, formerly Twitter. If your inbox is getting flooded with message alerts, this quick fix will help you turn those emails off in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple social media tips and step-by-step guides. Let's get into it. First, open X and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. On the left navigation bar, click More. This opens the extra menu where all of your account settings are stored. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control how X sends you notifications, manages your privacy, and handles your account preferences. Next, click Notifications. This section controls what alerts you receive from X. After that, click Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll see several notification options that let you customize exactly how X contacts you. Now, click Email Notifications. This is the menu that controls what types of activity from X are allowed to reach your email inbox. Here, look for the Direct Messages option. To stop those email alerts, simply toggle off direct messages. Once that switch is off, X will no longer send direct message notifications to your email address. That's it. You've now turned off direct message email notifications on X, so your inbox should be much cleaner and easier to manage. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.